Hey there, it's Nathan today. I'm thrilled to give you an insider's look at how GPT Workspace can create stunning visuals directly in your workspace with just a few clicks. Let me show you how it's done. First up, Google Slides. Let's say I'm putting together a presentation and I need a compelling image to set the scene. Sketch a noir-inspired street scene with a lone detective under a street lamp, black and white, high contrast, dramatic. Now, all I do is watch the AI do its magic. Look at this masterpiece. Just drag it onto your slide and you're all set to impress. But what about Google Docs? Can the extension handle a text environment? Spoiler alert, absolutely. All right, let's turn it up a notch. We've got a GPT.space blog post itching for a custom illustration. You can also see it on our website, but let's ask GPT to generate another illustration. Craft a cover image that complements this blog post. And like clockwork, we have a striking image that elevates the blog's narrative. So there you have it, folks. Whether you're spicing up your slides or adding flair to your docs, GPT Workspace is there to elevate your game. If this peek into the future excited you, install our Chrome extension, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share with your networks. Thanks for joining me.